Alright, everybody. So, I just feel like, going over the new Davi Mastery moveset. And I think it says 7 moves that it has or something. And then, Tenya Ida's like 4th move, whatever his name is. Alright, so yeah, that's what I just plan to do. Not really much else. Alright, so like Tenya's like 4th move is kind of like it's kind of like the scatter move for Shigaraki. Like his second ultimate move where he like punches them up in the air and like jumps back down on them. Except you can hold this one. Yeah, and you gotta kind of let me get myself no cooldowns real quick. My bad. There you go. Like you gotta kind of land that. Jesus, I suck. Yeah. Yeah, so the first part of that move does 6 damage fully charged. Maybe not fully charged. I don't know. But, you gotta land both of them. Maybe they're gonna add, something because there's one charge. Yeah, there's 3 charges. So I think it's gonna kind of be like this move, where they have like different variants of like what you can do for like different parts of the move or whatever, something like that. I think that's how they're probably gonna make it. And like, let's go check out Dobby. So it doesn't have any spawn animation, but I think he has some pretty cool moves. So these are the M1s, by the way. Pretty cool. He also has his own uppercut. Well, I guess that's kind of, yeah. And then he has his very own down. So I think that's pretty cool. And then this is his aerial M1. I'm not too sure what this is called. What else? Oh yeah, his front dash. Pretty cool. This is his first move. It's kind of like the regular moveset's 4th move. Except you can hold this one. Yeah, so basically, if I don't hold it at all, and then I do that, they go really far away. If I barely hold it at all, they go, I think, just as far. I'm not sure. If I fully charge it, they go barely away in front of me, so I can just combo extend it with a front dash. Also, I can do this. Oh, my bad. Yep, then you can extend it with the front dash. And then his next move is called Hell Shot. Oh, my bad. And then you can press it again to like use again. Boom. So I don't really know what move this is kind of like. I forget sometimes what the moves are all like. But yeah, kind of confusing, I guess. Voice crack. This one is called Glacial Cylinder or Cinder. You can hit it while ragdoll, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you can. Same with Hellshot. I think you can hit both on the ground. Anyways, before I move on to the fourth move, I want to show y'all the finishers for these. There's no finisher for Hellshot, I know that. There is a finisher for Infernal Assault. Pretty cool. And then this is the third move's finisher. This one's actually pretty cool. And then I guess the passive for doing that finisher or something, you get, it's kind of like Todoroki's second move. If you get a finisher with it, you get an Ice Javelin for free. And it does tons of extra M1 damage. So yeah, I think the finisher is pretty cool. Anyways, so the fourth move is called Scorching Surge. Basically, it's kind of like Stain V2s. Kind of like Stain V2s, like whenever he throws his katana or something, it gives you like the next or second move set. But this one drains your health over time, so you don't want to use it like at low health. Now, it may not look like a lot of damage at first that it's doing to me, but trust, it will hurt you. Alright, so Hell Assault is the first one. Pretty cool. Phantom Shot. Now I have to use again. Now this is the non-use variant. And then this is the use again. Pretty cool. And then this is called Cinderbind. So basically how this one works, it creates a little circle around you whenever you use a move, and if something is not inside of that circle, it won't activate. But see, I think if I'm correct, if I use it and then knock him into the circle, will it hit him? No, it won't. So they have to be in the circle, in it or a little bit after you activate it. It's overall pretty cool. Now, Cinderbind doesn't have a finisher, but I know Hell Assault does. Pretty cool. And then this is probably the best one in my opinion. Phantom Shot. Oh wait, I need low HP dummy. Yo. It's sick, dude. Yeah, like I said, Cinderbind doesn't have one. Although I did get the Surprise Scythe kill emote. I don't have many other kill emotes. But, I mean, I'm not getting Fight for the Present. That's too much Robux. And like, look at me. I don't got none. But if I'm not mistaken, one of my friends told me that was a reference to Demon Slayer. But I've never really watched it. Anyways, y'all have a good day. I'll see you next time.